Welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, Hari's family consisted of his younger brother Chari, younger sister Gauri, and their father mother. When Chari was born, the sum of the ages of Hari, his mother, and father was 70 years. The sum of ages of 4 family members at the time of Gauri's birth was twice the sum of ages of Hari's father and mother at the time of Hari's birth. If Chari is 4 years older than Gauri, then find the difference in age between Hari and Chari. So assume that age of Hari's father be F, Hari's mother be M, and Hari is equal to H when Chari was born. Hence, their ages would be F minus H, M minus H, and 0 when Hari was born. Now similarly, the ages of 4 other members at the time of Gauri's birth would be F plus 4, M plus 4, H plus 4, and 4, since Chari is 4 years older than Gauri. Now we have been given that F plus M plus H equals 17. This is equation 1, and F plus M plus H plus 16 equal to 2 into F minus H plus M minus H. Now if we replace F plus M plus H in first equation from equation 1 to equation 2, then we get 70 plus 16 is equal to 2 into F plus M plus H minus 3H. So this is 86 is equal to 2 into 70 minus 3H, and from here we get 6H is equal to 54, or H is equal to 9 years. Therefore, difference in age between Hari and Chari is 9 years. That is option E. The next question is, in a true-false quiz, 4 marks are awarded for each correct answer and 1 mark is deducted for each wrong answer. Amit, Ben and Chitra answered the same 10 questions, and their answers are given below in the same sequential order. If Amit and Ben both score 35 marks each, then Chitra's score will be. Now Amit and Ben got 35 marks each. So they made 1 mistake and they got 9 answers correct. So 9 correct and 1 mistake. So that would lead to 9 into 4 minus 1, 35. Now if we see Amit and Ben's responses, only the third and fifth are different, whereas all others are same. So since they got 1 wrong each, so one of the answers out of these 2 should be correct. Now if we measure Chitra's responses with others, we see that she has 5 different observations from Amit and Ben. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So see, she has got 5 answers definitely wrong, and in this, since her responses are the same as Ben in the third and fifth, so one of them would definitely be wrong. So she gets total of 6 wrongs and 4 correct. So her marks would be 4 into 4 minus 6 into 1, that is 16 minus 6, so 10. The correct option is option A.